insane chases, 5 shocking endings. From a reverse-driving maniac to a rampaging school bus, these aren't just police chases. They're chaos on wheels. Welcome to Clutch Chaos. Let's ride. This suspect ain't playing by the rules. Driving in reverse at full speed, circling a gas station like it's a racetrack. 2 full laps, then boom. He slams the bumper of the trailing police cruiser and shoots out of the station. Still in reverse. The chase kicks into overdrive as 2 more cop cars join in. It's a high-speed backward blitz. Then, cornered. A police cruiser blocks the back. Others swarm in. Nowhere to go. The reverse rampage is over. This biker thought a thin trail could shake the cops. He veers off the main road into a narrow path. Police follow without hesitation. They head onto a tiny bridge, back to dirt roads. This chase is getting gritty. The biker leans into the turn. But bam! 1 police car smashes him sideways. Suspect down. Chase terminated. A heavy-duty chase on full throttle. This suspect in a massive truck keeps flicking his right indicator like it's some kind of code. Police try to close in. Truck punches the gas. One cruiser moves in close. Then wham! A perfect pit maneuver from behind. The truck loses control, veers right, 180-degree flip, straight into a wall. Bricks fly, windshield shatters. Police smash the front, drag him out. That truck's journey ends upside down. Cops try to pull this car over. The suspect refuses to exit. Then, he bolts. Full speed. The chase ignites. Minutes later, disaster. He clips a massive roadside dumpster, loses control, and boom! Crashes into a parked truck. Cops rush in, guns drawn. Game over. Crashes, escapes, arrests. That's clutch chaos, baby. If you're into wild chases and heart-pounding action, hit that sub, smash the like and gear up, because the next chase is already on its way.